Hey guys, let's make chicken pie today, and you don't need many things to make this pie. You just need the things in your kitchen and you're good to go. So you want to get your chicken stock. You're going to place it in the pan with oil, hot oil. You want to fry this until it changes color to white. You're going to go in with some onions, some pepper, some chicken seasoning cube, and you also want to go in with your chicken spice. I use kitchen glory for mine. You're going to stir this, allow to cook, go in with some carrots. You cover and allow to cook for some time so that our chicken gets done. You want to go in with a little bit of corn flour mix. This is just a mixture of corn flour and a little water. You're going to stir and cover to cook for some time. Then once it's done, you can put it off and bring it down. Now let's make our pie. We're going with flour, some baking powder, some vanilla flavor, powdered vanilla flavor, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You want to combine this and add in water bit by bit. You don't want to work on this dough so much. Just once the dough is together, you're good to go. You see, you don't have to knead it so much. Then what you're going to do is share this dough into the amount you want. Okay, for this measurement, it's just I 1 glass cup gave me 3 pies. You want to roll this with any roller. If you don't have a roller, you can see I improvised and I used my glass cup to roll mine. You have to go gently on this. Fill in the pie with your chicken and seal the edges with a fork. So you can see I'm just using basic kitchen equipment to make this. There's no big deal in making this chicken pie. You just need things in your kitchen. To cut the shape you want, you can use your knife. Okay, and then seal the edges with your fork. So you can see I'm just going to poke some holes with my fork into this pie so that the inside will cook too. In a pan, I'm going to put in oil. I know you haven't seen this method. You thought I was going to bake this, right? So we are not baking because there's no oven. We're going to fry this, and the outcome was delicious regardless. So if you don't have an oven, this is another option. This is another method to make this pie. You don't need to break a bank. You must not get an oven, okay? So you're just going to fry this pie. Once the side start browning, you're going to flip to the other side. Our pie is ready. Once your desired brownness has been achieved, bring it out, strain it so that the oil strains out, and go ahead to enjoy your pie. So this is just it. It's delicious, it's amazing. The inside well cooked, everything is just nice. The taste was awesome. Okay. So it's just something you can make at the comfort of your home. You don't need so much to make this. You can enjoy this with any drink of your choice. This December must be dirty, guys. So you can see this is the outcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.